Now we are going to start the numerical of this chapter. Okay, the first question is the speed of light in air. So the speed of light in air is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and we have to calculate the speed of light in glass. Okay, this we have to calculate, and we know that the refractive index of glass is 1.5. So by applying formula, refractive index of glass with respect to air is equal to velocity of light in air to the velocity of light in glass. Okay, so refractive index of glass with respect to air is given, which is 1.5, and velocity of light in air is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and velocity of light in glass is not given, which is Vg. Okay, so how we find Vg? Vg is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second divided by 3 into 2. So this will get cancelled out, and we get 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. This is our answer. This is the velocity of light in glass. Okay, now second question, it is given that the speed of light in diamond. So speed of light in diamond is given, which is 125,000 kilometer. So I want to change that kilometer in meter per second. Okay, so what you have to do, we have to multiply with 10 to the power 3. So this will become 25 into 10 to the power 6. This 30 and 30 become 6. Okay, and this is the speed of light in diamond. Speed of light in air. Speed of light in air is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So the refractive index of diamond with respect to air is velocity of light in air upon velocity of light in diamond. Okay, so velocity of light in air is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and velocity of light in diamond is 125 into 10 to the power 6. When this will get cancelled out, we left with 100. Okay, then this will become 100 divided by 125, and what we have to do is we have to multiply it in denominator and numerator. This will become 1000, and this will become 2400. So if we cancel out these two zero, we left with 2.4. This is our refractive index of diamond with respect to air. This is our answer. Now in question number 3, it is mentioned that the refractive index of water with respect to air. So refractive index of water with respect to air is given 4/3. So what we have to find? We have to find the refractive index of air with respect to water. We have to find refractive index of air with respect to water. This we have to find, and we know that in these two it has inverse relation. Inverse relation means refractive index of water with respect to air is 1 upon refractive index of air with respect to water. So if we have to find this refractive index of air with respect to water, we move these two quantity and we get this relation. Okay, and we know the value of the refractive index of water with respect to air, so we just put this value there, and this will go upside, and this will become 3/4, which is equal to 0.75. So the refractive index of air with respect to water is nothing but this is 0.75. This is our answer. Okay, now question number 4. In question number 4, it is mentioned that the ray of light of wavelength 5400 angstrom suffer refraction from air to glass. So the wavelength of light in air is 5400 angstrom. Okay, and refractive index of glass with respect to air is 3/2. Then what we have to find is we have to find refractive index of the refractive index of glass. Okay, so wavelength of glass. refractive index of glass with respect to air is related with wavelength in such a way that the wavelength of air divided by wavelength of glass in this way. Okay, so refractive index of glass with respect to air is given, which is 3 by 2, and wavelength of air is 5400 angstrom. Okay, now, and we have to find the wavelength of glass. So what we can do, we just cancel out this. Okay, this is 5 on your 5 and 8 times, this is 1800, and this lambda g is nothing but 1800 into 2. This become 3600 angstrom lambda g. Okay, this is our answer.